Oh my goodness, we've got a major crisis on our hands. We've got some dollhouse furniture, a little table that my daughter plays with. Didn't survive little brother, unfortunately. That's who I'm blaming anyway. And we're going to fix this up. It's a pretty simple job. I've got wood glue, and we're just going to put it back together again if the parts are indeed salvageable. And in this case, they are. So wood glue to both ends, pretty much all ends that are going back together. And pretty liberally, you don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to underdo it. You want there to be a little bit to wipe off the sides once you compress it down. So we're going to put that little broken piece in the hole, and then we will, by using two hands here, compress it together. And the stickiness, the viscosity of the glue should pretty much hold it together in place. And then I'm going to wipe off the excess to make sure that is clean. Because once it dries, ooh, that's bad news. If you have glue you want to remove in these very micro areas of the dollhouse furniture. So we're going to just kind of let that sit. I'm generally pleased with the repositioning of it. Here it is when it is dry. You can see there's a little bit of gap. And so we can try to, depending on the color of the wood, we can try to match that. Now, this wood glue generally dries translucent, so it's actually kind of more clear even though it goes on yellow. So that's one thing that I discovered. So I tried to make sure that all gaps were filled, and indeed they were. And there was a little bit of gap that was still noticeable. But hey, that's okay with me. It's fixed, it's sturdy, and that's what I care about. I'm less concerned with the perfect aesthetic of it. It indeed broke. So as long as it works, I'm cool with that. I'll let that second application dry. Again, making sure all excess is wiped off. And there's the final shot. Pretty easy job. Thanks so much. Hopefully this helps you.